Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a pauper person, who is a pauper person and how can he file a suit in the court and how his application will be rejected by the court. It is like an indigent person. The concept of indigent person I have discussed earlier in previous videos, and this is the concept like that. A pauper in legal terms often referred to an indigent person in modern terminology who lacks the financial means to pay the court fees required to file a suit under order number 33 of the CPC. A pauper is one who does not possess sufficient means to pay the prescribed court fees for filing a suit and has no property, movable or immovable, worth more than 1000, excluding basic necessities like clothing, house, goods, and tools of trade. Court assesses the person's financial status to determine eligibility for pauper status. Now the question arises, how can a suit be filed by the pauper? Under order number 33 of the CPC, following steps a pauper has to follow: a detailed affidavit declaring their financial sources. The second one, a full statement of the case including cause of action and relief sought. क्या चाहिए उसको और किस वजह से वो केस लड़ रहा है वो सब उसको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा. उसको अपने फाइनेंशियल सोर्सेज के बारे में जानकारी देनी पड़ेगी जिसमें उसको एफिडेविट लगाना पड़ता है. एंड इफ़ ही हैज़ सम प्रॉपर्टी देन इज लिस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी ही ओन्स. और यदि प्रॉपर्टी कुछ है तो उसकी लिस्ट जो है साथ में लगानी पड़ेगी. ही ओन्स विद इस एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू, जो भी उसकी कीमत है उस प्रॉपर्टी की वो साथ में वो अटैच करनी पड़ेगी. बी अटैच. इफ एप्लीकेशन इज प्रूव्ड बाय द कोर्ट, सूट प्रोसीड्स विदाउट पेमेंट ऑफ फीस ऑल्दो फीस में बी रिकवर्ड लेटर ऑन. यदि वो एप्लीकेशन कोर्ट एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है तो फिर उसको जो है बिना फीस के जो है वो केस लड़ सकता है, लेकिन ये फीस भी वापस ले ली जाएगी यदि वो केस जीत जाता है तो. इफ़ द प्लेंटिफ विंस द केस. When can an application to sue as a pauper be rejected? Now the question arises, how can his application be rejected? On what basis? If he is not a pauper, applicant has sufficient means to pay the court fees, but he has declared him or her as pauper, which is the main fault. On that base, court can reject his application. The second one is if there is no cause of action as valid. यदि कोई ठोस कारण वजह ही नहीं है उसके जो है केस करने की तो भी एप्लीकेशन रिजेक्ट हो जाएगी. थर्ड, इफ द सूट इज बेस्ड बाय if the suit is barred by any legal provision such as time limitation act. So there is a limit to file a suit in the court. If the time crosses, then also court may reject his or her application as a pauper. And if he or she has not attached the proper documents as required by the court, then also his application may be rejected. So there are so many causes on that base court may reject his or her application, and there are so many causes on which court may accept his application. So an indigent person or a pauper has to apply again if his or her application is rejected. If he is not faulty, if he or she is not faulty and his application is rejected by the court, if he or she is a pauper or an indigent person, then he has to fill the proper application by proper affidavit and proper documents, and then he or she has to submit again. So these are the ways to apply as a pauper or an indigent person in the court. So friends, I think you must have understood the concept properly, and if you like it, then please like it and subscribe it. Um, I will present the next topic shortly. So friends,